way Frank Bullett's swinging, you know he's heading for a crash with that wall of official disapproval.
Las Vegas Boulevard North at mile marker 59. This is near Apex, outside of Las Vegas, Nevada. You can see the map to my left where this incident occurred. The time of the OIS was approximately 8:54. Incident is Jesus Caballero Herrera. The spelling and his photo is to my left. Mr. Caballero Herrera is 38 years of age. He's a Hispanic male, 5'5", 150 pounds. Mr. Caballero Herrera was armed with a .22 caliber Ruger 1022 rifle equipped with a scope. There was a gold GMC Yukon driving recklessly in excess of 100 miles per hour northbound on I-15 at Cheyenne. Sergeant Stovall indicated that the GMC Yukon had nearly collided with several vehicles. There's no audio with this particular video, but the next video we will show you is from the first arriving officer who was in that vehicle, and you'll have the body-worn camera from the uniformed officer that you see right there in that photo.
There he is. He's gonna be up here on the boulevard. DUI-5 arrived with him.
All units on this call, the suspect is going to
right behind
have a 415 next to him on the driver's side of the vehicle. The brown Yukon.
So he came out with the rifle. I had a conversation going with him. The rifle came out of the car. I opened fire. Laying down there, he was talking about his family initially when he went down, saying goodbye to his children. Right now, you see some breathing.
2GC, do you want a rifle deployed at all?
So let's do this. DUI-5, NHP has a rifle up.
This is a photo of the rifle that
Teen Action News begins with breaking news.
And breaking right now, Metro is currently investigating an officer-involved shooting. This is unfolding on the 15 near Apex Road, just north of the Las Vegas Valley. This is a live look at the scene right now. Police say there are lane restrictions in the area right now. We will keep you posted during this newscast and online at ktnv.com. As we learn.
Metro officer near the 15 in Apex last week. Police now say he wanted to take his own life. When Jesus Caballero Herrera was pulled over for speeding, he told an officer he had a rifle in his car and wanted to die. Police say Herrera also asked the officer to shoot him. Police say the man reached for his rifle and that's when the officer shot him. Police say the man later died at